listening to everybody is a great spiritual practice. We rarely listen to others. We always want to listen to our own voice. We speak to ourselves as if we are the greatest. But listening to others' experiences is the most important spiritual practice. As important as your own meditation practice. In Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, this expression of experience and listening to experience is very, very vital. That is the most important part of Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. You must listen to everybody, deeply, totally, without interfering, without reservations. You must learn to listen deeply to every person. This is, in itself is a great spiritual practice. The most noble spiritual practice is the ability to listen to others. Totally. Until they finish whatever they want to say. This is called Sajjana Sangatya. Trijagati Sajjana Sangati Reka Bhavati Bhavanava Tarane Nauka. If you want to go away from suffering, you have to listen to others' experience. How they overcome their suffering. Then you overcome your suffering. Everybody's story is the same. Suffering and coming out of suffering. The story is the same. So, when you hear others' experiences, you relate to the story of how people create suffering and how they come out of suffering. And when you are listening to somebody, your mind is empty. You are practicing meditation when you are listening. Your mind is not working. Your mind is only absorbing. Your mind is not criticizing. Your mind is not commenting. You are only receiving, you are absorbing. Listening to others' experience in life is the most important spiritual practice. That's why I always give the maximum importance to people coming here and expressing their experiences. And all the people listening to them. Dhyana, Swadhyaya, Sajjana Sangatya. 3 things. Lot of dhyana when you are alone. When nobody is around, you do meditation. When you are alone and books are there, read the books. When you are with others, listen to them. Ask them questions. What are you? Who are you? What are you doing? How did you come out of suffering? So when you are with people, you must listen to people. When there are no people around, you must listen to yourself. Or read from the books. Dhyana, Mattu Swadhyaya, Mattu Sajjana Sangatya. 3 things. It is through Sajjana Sangatya that you learn about meditation and Swadhyaya. When you meet people, they tell you, oh, there is a Pyramid Valley, go there. Oh, there is a book, Autobiography of a Yogi, read that. So that information comes from Sajjana Sangatya. Among these 3, Sajjana Sangatya is number 1. You meet people, then you get new ideas, new knowledge, new information, new wisdom.